Hey guys, this is Abhishek from Technics Media. Today we have the Samsung REX60, which is a feature phone which has been recently launched from Samsung. This phone is priced at around 4,000 Indian rupees approximately. If you take a look over the specifications of this phone has 2.8-inch responsive QVGA display. This is not capacitive touchscreen, but it is not resistive either. The touch on the device is quite nice. If we talk about the SIM card functionality, this phone supports dual SIM card. If we talk about the TouchWiz UI, the user interface, it has got the TouchWiz UI which you see on Samsung Galaxy phones, the Android phone from Samsung. It looks pretty nice in terms of the overall display. You do have a notification center as well, which is quite basic. This phone is actually running on Java, so you do have the simple notifications and the controls for toggling to different SIM card. You have the Bluetooth toggle, you have the sound toggle as well. This phone supports dual SIM card. As far as the regional support, it does supports 9 Indian languages. The front, the camera, the back camera on the device is 1.3 megapixel camera, as you can see, and it doesn't have flash, although the loudspeaker is also over here. Here you have a power and sleep key, basically the lock key. On the top you have a little indent to open the back cover, and here you have the 3.5mm audio jack. On this side of the phone you have a small volume rocker, which is a single button, as you can see, and here you have the charging port basically. As far as the specifications of this phone is concerned, this phone is not very highly spec'd, but it is actually a budget phone, and the UI and the features which you get on this device is quite good. You do get 10 full version games from Gameloft pre-installed on this device. If we talk about the messaging, it does have chat on Yahoo Messenger, Gtalk and Facebook chat as well. It also allows you to download free games for some amount of time once you buy this phone, for at least 3 months or something. And then if you talk about the apps, you will be able to install apps from Samsung App Store, and those apps will be Java based. I don't know whether you can actually install the Java games right now, but we will let you know through the comment section in this video. If we talk about the other things, the home screen basically, these are the applications which come pre-installed. And then if you talk about the Active Sync, the Bluetooth, you do have Bluetooth, the memo application as well, application dictionary. And if we talk about other applications, you do have contacts, music, internet, settings. If we go into settings, this is how the interface looks like. The interface is quite similar to the Bada OS which you have seen on Samsung. The overall interface is quite basic. You have simple home screens. The resolution of the display is not very high, but it is quite good to read. There is no problem as far as the resolution of the display is concerned. It does come with Opera Mini browser as well, and it does have 15 hours of talk time as promised by Samsung. So that's all from us right now regarding the quick hands-on review of Samsung REX60. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.